inspiring curiosity and respect. The small actions you take every day can make a big difference in creating an inclusive and welcoming environment for everyone. Say hello to classmates from different backgrounds with a friendly smile. Take the time to listen to your friends' stories and learn about their cultures. Curiosity is great. Ask respectful questions about your peers' traditions and customs. Offer help to classmates who might need assistance with schoolwork or other tasks. Include different friends in your playtime or group activities. Celebrate special occasions like birthdays or holidays with your friends. Learn basic words or phrases in different languages spoken by your peers. Share a snack from your culture with your classmates and try theirs too. If you see someone being treated unfairly, stand up for them and tell an adult. Respect and learn about your friends' religious or cultural traditions. Try out games and activities that your friends enjoy from their cultures. Encourage your friends to express themselves and share their ideas. Work together with classmates from different backgrounds on school projects. Compliment your friends on their unique skills, talents, and qualities. During lunch or breaks, sit with friends from different backgrounds. Create a short story. Create a short story. Create a short story. Understand that different people may need different amounts of time to open up. Share and read folk tales from different cultures during story time. Use maps to explore different countries and learn about their landmarks. If you make a mistake, apologize and learn from it. Forgive others too. Introduce your favorite songs and listen to music from other cultures. Embrace your own unique qualities and encourage others to do the same. Learning to embrace differences prepares you for real world interactions. Embracing differences also builds cultural awareness, preparing you for the world. Embracing curiosity and respect for different cultures is a wonderful journey that opens our hearts and minds to the beauty of diversity. By being culturally aware, we not only learn about the world, but also create connections that bridge gaps and build understanding. Let's remember that our differences make us unique, and together we can make our planet a more harmonious and united place. So keep exploring, asking questions, and embracing the richness of cultures around us. Together, we can create a brighter and more inclusive world for everyone.